everyone! Welcome back to The Altruist, where we dive into the wonders of world cuisines and how they can transform your kitchen and palate. Today we're spicing things up a bit, literally. Let's talk about a game changer in the world of flavors, Sichuan pepper. Now I know what some of you might be thinking. Isn't that just another spicy pepper? Oh, but it's so much more. Sichuan pepper isn't even a true pepper. It's a berry from the Chinese prickly ash tree. And it packs a punch that's not just about heat. It's about tingling, almost electric sensations that can completely transform a dish. First off, let's talk about this unique tingling sensation, known scientifically as paresthesia. This isn't just any tingle. It's a buzzing that wakes up your taste buds in a way that no other spice does. It's like your mouth is coming alive, preparing you to fully experience every flavor in the dish. But the magic of Sichuan pepper doesn't stop at the tingle. It has citrusy undertones that can add a bright pop to your dishes. Imagine that zesty spark in a rich, spicy broth, or elevating a simple stir-fry to something extraordinary. That's the power of Sichuan pepper. Health-wise, Sichuan pepper is a powerhouse too. It's been used in traditional Chinese medicine for centuries. This wonderberry is packed with antioxidants, helps with digestion, and even fights off some foodborne bacteria. So not only does it make your food taste better, but it also supports your health. Now, how can you start using Sichuan pepper in your cooking? It's versatile. You can grind it into a powder and sprinkle it over meals, or infuse it into oils and sauces to add that distinctive buzz. A tip from me: start small and build up. A little goes a long way with this potent spice. And there you have it, folks. Sichuan pepper, a small berry with a big impact on cooking and health. If you're looking to elevate your culinary creations and excite your eating experience, give Sichuan pepper a try. You won't be disappointed. As always, if you loved learning about the thrilling world of flavors and want more insights into transforming your cooking, don't forget to subscribe to The Altruist. Hit that bell icon so you won't miss any of our flavorful adventures. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep cooking and keep experimenting.